So I'm going to change this from using an if, else, else into a switch statement. So this is how it works when you switch. And what are we switching on? We're switching on the variable operation. And switches are made out of case statements. So the first case is add. And what we'll do is add's going to do this. And then we're going to add a break. In this case, subtract. And do the subtraction. And we'll add a break. So you need to add the breaks. Otherwise, it's going to fall through to the next line of code and keep on falling through until it hits the end of the switch statement. So make sure to always do that. Case, divide, and put all this logic in. Add a break. And it's good to add a default case. It's the very last case that should be in your switch statement. So that means if it's not add, subtract, multiply, or divide, then we need to do something. So we're going to basically just say unknown operation. So now we don't need this logic here. Now the catch is we don't know what operation it's going to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another one that says display result with a variable. Set it to false. And then anytime I want to display the result, I'm going to set it to true. So add, we want to display it. Subtract, multiply, and when we actually do the divide. So now I can just change this to if display result. So if display result is true, we're going to display the result. So I went into here and added remainder. And remainder is the percent sign. So that's going to be my default case to make sure that default logic is tested. So let's refresh this. That's add. Subtract. Multiply. I got 2 divide scenarios. There's that one. And then there's 6 divided by 0. It just says cannot divide by 0. That's good. And now we'll just try this remainder operation, which we don't have code for it. This is going to be a default case. And it says unknown operation. Great. So our code works.